Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing a video on cleaning the carb. How to clean the carb on a pit bike. This is a 125cc 4-stroke pit bike, so I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning this carb. First thing you want to do is get your sockets out and take it off. Remove the throttle assembly so you can get it off, and we'll go from there. Throttle disconnected. Time to take off the rest of the bolts and the carb will come right off. And the gas lines. Don't forget about taking off the gas lines. You want to get a can or some sort of empty container to catch the gas with. So the gas lines are, if it'll focus. So the gas lines are pretty hard and old, so I'll probably end up getting new ones. The filter should be good though because it's brand new. So yeah. So the gasket on the carburetor was very torn apart. So I think I'm gonna have to buy another one unless I have another one laying around, but most likely just gonna purchase a new one. And okay, so for this step I recommend getting a paper clip and a safety pin for some of the smaller holes and a lighter so you can burn the excess fuel out of the jets. So first thing you're gonna want to do is remove the float bowl. So you're gonna take off the two screws right on the bottom here. So you're gonna want to see if the float bowl is clean, and if it's not, then you're just gonna clean it out. So I'm gonna grab a paper towel, swipe it out, give it a good clean. So once that's clean, you're gonna want to get a flathead screwdriver so you can go ahead and take out these jets right here and start cleaning those. Get them nice and clean. Also, you're gonna want to slide this little pin out right here, which releases the float bowl, or the float I mean. So you can take out the float, this little plunger thing right here, and you're going to clean out where that plunger goes into as well. Clean off the float. So we're going to go ahead and take out these jets. So now that these are out, as you can see, they're pretty dirty. I don't know why the camera won't focus. So you're gonna want to take a pair of pliers, hold them with a pair of pliers, and just light them. Burn all the fuel out of them. Do the same to the other one. After you do that, don't touch them for a minute because obviously they're going to be hot. So you can come over to the actual carburetor itself and you can start cleaning out where the plunger for the float bowl went. Just going to stick this in there and kind of move it around, clean everything out a little bit. Should get pretty clean. Also, you can clean out these. Also, having a flashlight is pretty helpful so you can kind of see down in there. So I have some nitrous, so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of squirt it in there and just get everything nice and clean. The nitrous is in fact more flammable than the gasoline, so it'll eat away at this stuff a little easier. So now that these are cooled off, you can take your safety pin and you're going to want to clean out all these holes. Actually, a sewing needle would work a lot better, so I'm going to go grab one of those. Okay, so I got a sewing needle, so I'm going to go ahead and clean out each individual little hole in these jets because these things are pretty dirty. Go ahead and move on to this one. So usually if you hold a flashlight up to it, you can see through, you can see the light. In this one, you can't see the light through it. So that's how you know that they're dirty. This one, you can see the light through it. So that's just a little tip, little trick. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the rest of these little things. So another thing that kind of helps me is I will pour gasoline, or in this case some nitrous on it, and light it, which isn't the safest thing to do, but it works. So do it. Light it up. Let it burn all the stuff out of there. Do the same to this one. That could have been bad. But yeah, so once you clean all these jets out, you're going to go ahead and put them back where they were. Throw the float back in, put the float bowl back on, and throw it on your bike, and it should be good to go. Thanks for watching this video. There will be a build series coming on the pit bike soon. I want to do some more stuff to it because I missed riding it. That's the bike. So yeah.